see what we shall see.
Locks its doors every time you get out.
Huh?
Have you noticed this car locks its door every time you get out?
Yeah, I do.
I was coming in the gate one day and it shut and I had the car running. I
Oh,
had to climb
man.
through the sunroof.
You what?
Had to climb through the sunroof. That was about a year ago. That was back whenever I had my truck.
I don't know why it started doing that.
It was back when I had my green truck. It was something
really?
wrong with it, yeah, and I was driving this out.
See how many holes we got in that dude.
I see it.
There's
One
some
about
new
dead
ones.
center.
Dead center.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8.
This one's almost dead center right here.
How about
Look at
that?
that.
Yeah.
Those two are closed.
Yeah.
Those two are closed.
Good night.
That's pretty close.
Man, that's awesome.
Shoot, yeah.
Did I?
Glock 20, 300 yards.
300 yards.
Stock, nothing added.
Fantastic.
Who says they're not good guns?
Out of the box.
Yeah. That's
You ought to sit-
they are hand loads, but still it's a Glock.
Nick
Stock
hand
Glock.
loaded these shells.
That's not too bad.
You ought to take that down and put it up in your room.
Yeah, I think I will.
Unless you want to shoot some more.
No, I'm gonna try to hit my ram now.